The present. Simple tense is your friend when you want to talk about things you do regularly or things that are always true. It's like a simple fact button in your English language toolbox. We use it every day, so it's important to feel comfortable using it. Imagine talking about your hobbies, your job, or even what you eat for breakfast. That's the present simple in action. This tense helps us communicate clearly about routines and facts. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, understanding the present simple will make your English journey smoother. Let's talk about how to create sentences in the present simple, starting with affirmative sentences or positive statements. These are the sentences we use to state facts, describe habits, or talk about general truths. The basic formula is pretty straightforward: subject plus base verb plus object. This structure helps us to clearly convey who is doing what. For example, I drink coffee. This simple sentence tells us who is performing the action and what the action is. I is the subject, drink is the verb, and coffee is the object. Easy, right? This clear breakdown helps us understand the role of each word in the sentence. When using the third-person singular, he, she, it, we usually add an s or es to the base verb. This small change is crucial for correct grammar. So, we say he drinks coffee, or she eats toast. Remember, keep it simple. These small adjustments make your sentences grammatically correct and easy to understand. Use this basic structure to talk about your daily routines, hobbies, or anything you do regularly. Whether it's describing your morning routine or your favorite hobbies, this formula will help you communicate clearly and effectively. Now let's add a dash of no to our present simple sentences with negative forms. This is an essential skill for clear communication in English. To make a negative sentence, we need to introduce the helping verb do or does along with not. This combination helps us negate the action described by the main verb. For example, I do not drink tea. Here, do not negates the action of drinking tea. Notice how do comes before not, and the base verb drink stays the same. This structure is crucial for maintaining the meaning of the sentence while making it negative. For third-person singular, we use does not or doesn't. This is because the subject he, she, or it requires a different form of the helping verb. He does not eat meat or she doesn't like spicy food are good examples. These sentences show how the negative form changes with different subjects. Remember, the base verb remains unchanged in negative sentences. This means that the main action word stays in its original form. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a key rule in mastering the present simple. Understanding and using negative sentences correctly will greatly improve your English communication skills. Section 4. Avoiding common errors. In this section, we will explore some of the most frequent mistakes learners make when using the present simple tense. By understanding these errors, you can avoid them and improve your English fluency. Even though the present simple seems easy, there are a few common traps we can fall into. These traps can make our sentences sound awkward or incorrect. One mistake is forgetting to add s or es to the verb with third-person singular. This is a small but crucial detail that can change the meaning of your sentence. We should say he walks to work, not he walked to work. This small addition of s makes the sentence grammatically correct and clear. It's a small change but makes a big difference. This tiny adjustment can significantly improve how natural your English sounds. Another common error is using the present simple to talk about actions happening right now. This is a frequent mistake that can confuse listeners. Remember, this tense is for routines and facts. It describes actions that happen regularly or truths that are always valid. Instead of saying I eat lunch now, we should say I am eating lunch now because it's happening at this moment. This distinction is important for clear communication. Paying attention to these little details will make your English sound more natural and confident. By avoiding these common errors, you can speak more fluently and be better understood by others. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Congratulations on making it this far. You've learned about forming affirmative and negative sentences in the present simple, and you're aware of common mistakes to avoid. The key now is to practice. Try talking about your daily routine, your job, or your hobbies using the present simple. You can even describe the picture below using this tense. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. Remember, every English learner starts somewhere. With consistent effort and a little bit of fun, you'll be a present simple pro in no time.